Earning money online has become very popular trends in today's digital age, especially due to rise of e-commerce and dropshipping. A business model that allows you to sell products without holding inventory is dropshipping. Instead, you act as a middleman between the supplier and the customer, making a profit on the difference between the wholesale and retail price. You can start dropshipping by minimum investment. This is the biggest advantage of this model of earning. Dropshipping is a very attractive option for those who don't want large investment. In this model, you don't need to worry about buying inventory, managing warehouse location of shop, etc. Here are a few steps to start with dropshipping and earn money online. 1. Choose a niche. Choosing niche is the first step for your dropshipping business. It helps you target a specific audience and make it easier to find products to sell. You need to do some research to find out what products are popular in your chosen niche and what competition you may face. 2. Find a supplier. After choosing your niche, the next step is to find a supplier. You can use websites like Alibaba or AliExpress to find suppliers in your chosen niche. Look for suppliers that offer a wide range of products, good quality, and competitive prices. 3. Set up an online store. There are many platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up an online store for your dropshipping business. Make sure to choose a theme that reflects your niche and optimize your website for search engines to improve your chances of being found by potential customers. 4. Market your products. To start selling, you need to market your products. There are many social media platforms you can use like Facebook and Instagram to promote your products and engage with your audience. You can also use paid advertising to reach a wider audience. 5. Analyze your results. Last but not least, it's important to analyze your results to see what's working and what's not. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic and sales. This will help you make informed decisions about your marketing strategy and optimize your business for success. Conclusion: dropshipping can be a great way to earn money online without a large investment by following these steps. You can start your own dropshipping business and create a passive income stream for yourself. Remember to choose a niche, find a supplier, set up an online store, market your products, and analyze your results to ensure your success.